Lenovo Phab 2 Pro Screen Repair, Teardown and Reassemble.
Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun,
T5 Torx screwdriver,
Phillips screwdriver.
Power down your Phab 2 Pro smartphone. Eject the nano-SIM and microSD card tray. Extricate the following two T5 Torx screws from the bottom of the Phab 2 Pro. Use the plastic triangle opening tool to release the clips, and then pop the phone out of its aluminum rear enclosure. The cable for the fingerprint scanner is still connected to the motherboard, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Disconnect the cable and separate the Lenovo Phab 2 Pro rear case from the phone. Use the tweezers to carefully peel up and free the highly secure Phab 2 Pro fingerprint scanner. Extract the following 3 Phillips screws and then the bracket. Spudge up the Phab 2 Pro battery connector. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws. Easily lift out the Phab 2 Pro loudspeaker. Pop the following 2 connectors off the daughter board. Tweeze up the vibrator, but do not remove it as it is soldered to the daughter board. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws. Use the spudger to pry up the Lenovo Phab 2 Pro daughter board. It includes the vibrator, micro USB connector, microphone, spring contacts, and control hardware. Locate the 2 peel to remove adhesive tabs at the bottom of the Phab 2 Pro battery. Grab the first tab and try to keep the adhesive strip flat and wide. Slowly and gently pull each strip up and away from the Lenovo smartphone. The strips will stretch to many times the length of the battery. Keep pulling until they come out from between the battery and the midframe. And just like that, out pops the 4050 mAh Lenovo Phab 2 Pro battery. The Phab 2 Pro is equipped with 3 rear cameras that work in conjunction with Tango and specialty developed software to enable cutting-edge smartphone AR experiences. Detach and remove the fisheye camera that is used for ultra-wide angle panoramas, followed by the depth camera, and then the primary 16-megapixel Lenovo Phab 2 Pro rear-facing camera. Disconnect the bevy of cables from the Phab 2 Pro motherboard. Remove the following 7 Phillips screws. With the spudger in hand, carefully free the Lenovo Phab 2 Pro motherboard from the midframe. Detach the 8-megapixel Phab 2 Pro front-facing selfie camera from the motherboard. Pry the spring contact connected earpiece speaker out of the chassis. Extract the module that contains the Phab 2 Pro proximity sensor, ambient light, and notification LED. Peel up the interconnect cable. Remove the Lenovo Phab 2 Pro power and volume buttons cable from the side of the midframe. Use the heat gun to warm up the adhesive securing the 6.4-inch QHD Phab 2 Pro display assembly to the frame. Start slicing through the adhesive with the triangle opening tool. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the display's cables when decoupling the Lenovo Phab 2 Pro screen from the frame.
All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.Fixez.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.